Hi, my name is Albert. I'm the president and owner of Quantum Machinery Group. Quantum Machinery Group has been supplying high-end fabrication equipment since 2002. Back in 2018, Quantum Machinery Group became the exclusive importer for the Sigman line in the United States. I'm here to address the elephant in the room. While many of you know there's well over 20 different welding table manufacturers worldwide, Fireball chooses to keep coming after Sigman. It must tell you who sets that benchmark. Many of you ask, where are the Sigman welding tables made? Sigman welding tables are engineered in Germany and made in Germany, but they also have another location in Poland, so they come out of Germany and Poland. Sigman uses the highest tool steel offered in today's market. I am pretty sure many of you do not know where Fireball makes their tables. They are made by Vultra Tools, also known as Stronghand tools, which people also know them as Buildpro. It's a bit confusing. Do you guys remember us posting a video where we purchased a Fireball tool table, and upon unboxing it, we removed the Fireball tool label, and underneath that label was a Stronghand label, which also showed made in China. Little did we know that when we purchased this Fireball tool table, it had 3/4 inch holes. 3/4 inch on the top, 3/4 inch on the sides. How many manufacturers or welding table producers make a 3/4 inch fixture? Go online, you'll probably find one or two, and you'll find somebody that makes one here and there as well, as a something custom. But with Sigman, they offer the System 16 and 28. Again, what I said earlier in the video, there's well over 20 different manufacturers, so you can imagine how many people make System 16 and System 28 fixtures. With Fireball, you're stuck with their system, and go online, you'll see their catalog. They don't offer much. Again, Sigman, over 250 System 16 fixtures and well over 300 System 28 fixtures. So let me tell you a little bit more about Sigman. Sigman offers a large variety of tables, size-wise and the type of table. This is the Sigman 8.8 Plus table. What does 8.8 Plus mean? Well, anytime it's a Plus series table, it has longer side skirts and additional holes. So this is the 8.8 Plus System 28. They offer the standard version, which again, System 28, and then the basic version. They offer the System 16 Plus and the regular version, System 16. So when doing comparisons between tables and different manufacturers, as you can see, we offer a variety. Let's compare apples to apples, not apples to oranges. Fireball. I know you make some of your squares here in the US. You have shown proof, you have made the videos showing the process. Okay, we believe it. I've been importing for over 24 years now and know the tricks of the trade. I'm able to see where containers come from. It did surprise me that a lot of your shipments are coming from Vultra in Shanghai, shipping to Fireball tools. What also surprised me is some of these vices are coming from Chu Power Tools, shipping to Fireball tools. To the viewers out there, of course Chinese manufacturing is going to be cheaper. I cannot compete with that. But there's a reason why Fireball will not post negative reviews against Vultra, Stronghand, or Buildpro. Why would you bite the hand that feeds you? So in closing, I want to thank the customers that can see through this, all this drama that plays out online. Of course, that's an online thing, and yeah, we have tough skin, but we do feel that we should be able to protect ourselves. But I want to thank you, Fireball, too, because you are bringing awareness to the Sigman product, so thank you for that.